Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by registering with Nykaa's affiliate portal and completing KYC. This unlocks tracking and payouts. Once done, add your bank and tax details so commissions are paid without delay. Make sure you have an active platform, website, blog, or social channel, because Nykaa approves accounts based on audience and content relevance. Right after verification, access the dashboard and locate your unique affiliate ID. Save it, because the very next steps require it to generate links and track clicks correctly. You now focus on link creation and tracking. Generate deep links for individual products or campaign links for collections, and always append your affiliate ID. Then add UTM parameters to measure source, medium, and campaign in analytics. This explains which posts drive sales. Once links are ready, craft content that matches intent. How to review videos, comparison posts, and offer roundups work best. Make sure to follow Nykaa's promotional rules. Otherwise, you risk invalid clicks or lost commissions. You finish by analyzing performance weekly. Check click-through rate, conversion rate, and average order value to prioritize content that pays. Once you hit Nykaa's payout threshold, request withdrawal and reconcile statements against your dashboard to confirm earnings. Then scale winning formats and pause low performers. Test headlines, images, and call-to-action text for measurable lifts. If you see missing commissions, first recreate links and test in an incognito window. Make sure cookies and redirect blockers aren't active before contacting support with evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.